Welcome to Instruqt Tutorials. In this video, we'll discuss how to embed an Instruqt track into a Skilljar course. First, we'll open up play.instruqt.com. Click on the track name that you'd like to embed. On the right-hand side, click Embed Track. On the Embed page, we'll copy the code snippet generated under Kiosk Mode link. Next, we'll switch over to the Skilljar homepage. Click on Course Management and then Courses. We'll select New Course. Enter in the title of your course. For this example, we're going to call it Sales Engineering Training. Go ahead and click Save. Now, we'll select the Curriculum tab. Under the New Lesson dropdown, select the first option, Video, PDF, Audio, or Embed. Enter a title for the lesson. We'll call this Create an Account. Great! Now under the Content tab, we'll paste in the code we copied from our Instruqt track into the URL box. Skilljar should automatically recognize that this is an Instruqt file, and your preview will appear in the Content box. If it does not automatically appear, go to the Type dropdown and select Instruqt. Let's save our work. And select Preview, this lesson. And there it is! Awesome, you did it! For more information about integrating Instruqt with Skilljar, check out our documentation page.